There are a few digital money examples of overcoming adversity out there. Obviously, many normal individuals have become moguls by putting resources into cryptos. It began with Bitcoin, which has made a few tycoons throughout the long term. The most awesome aspect of the story is that Bitcoin isn't the main mogul producer coin. There are a few different coins that have yielded delectable return on initial capital investment for financial backers. As moving as most crypto examples of overcoming adversity sound, it is vital to take note of that there flourish harsh encounters in the business. Indeed, numerous crypto projects have fizzled, and many individuals have lost cash by putting resources into cryptos. The examples of overcoming adversity will continuously fly higher and reach further. Financial backers, subsequently, should constantly recollect that the possibilities losing are dependably there. It is feasible to work on the possibilities creating gains and limit the possibilities encountering losing in digital currency contributing. Frequently, it comes down to purchasing the right coins. You will likewise have to get your timing right more often than not. You should be certain that any coin you need to purchase is a wise speculation. Here, we will zero in on torrential slide Avax. However, there are people who are gifted in spotting wise venture open doors. Any vigorous peruser can decide if a computerized coin is a wise speculation or not. It might take a ton of examination. However, there are key factors that will show you, regardless of whether a computerized coin is a decent purchase. We will examine torrential slide Avax in a way that will assist you with deciding if it is a wise speculation. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is an open, programmable brilliant agreement stage that permits engineers to construct decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks as subnets. It has been depicted as the foundation of stages, since it can have an extensive variety of blockchain projects, including non-fungible tokens, NFTs. It is like Ethereum and other brilliant agreement stages, yet is novel in numerous ways. Perhaps of the most stupendous thing about torrential slide is its special plan. The convention really includes 3 inherent blockchains, not at all like most different stages that send a solitary blockchain. These 3 blockchains structure the center of the torrential slide environment and carry out 3 unmistakable roles. They additionally utilize 3 unique agreement components for their individual capabilities. However, it has become truly well known and developed to become one of the main 15 cryptographic money stages by market capitalization. Torrential slide is a moderately new undertaking. Its mainnet was sent off on September 21, 2020. A year and a couple of months subsequently, it has gotten many individual ventures, pulled in excess of 500,000 local area individuals from across the globe, and created in excess of 750 individual block delivering validators. It is quick becoming one of the greatest DeFi stages. Very much like each other cryptographic money project, torrential slide has a local cash, basically called Avax. This local money drives the organization in numerous ways. It is principally used to pay exchange expenses and can likewise be marked to get the organization. Similar to the standard in the blockchain business, Avax is the essential speculation vehicle in the torrential slide environment. It is accessible on numerous stages, counting cryptographic money trades and businesses, and can be exchanged by anybody. How really does torrential slide function? To figure out the possibilities of torrential slide and decide if it is a wise venture, we need to take a look at how the whole thing functions. As referenced before, it is like Ethereum and other savvy contract stages like Solana, Cardano, Universe, and so on. It permits engineers to make and send off various tasks on it, including DeFi conventions, NFTs, stablecoins, and some more. Torrential slide is alluring for some reasons. It is viable with the programming language utilized by Ethereum, robustness, and that implies Ethereum designers can undoubtedly expand on torrential slide. As referenced before, torrential slide center involves 3 unmistakable blockchains that carry out 3 particular roles and utilize different agreement conventions. The stage chain P-chain arranges network validators, takes into consideration the formation of subnets, and tracks dynamic subnets. It utilizes the Snowman agreement instrument. The agreement chain, C-chain, has shrewd agreements and decentralized applications. It additionally utilizes the Snowman agreement instrument. The trade chain, X-chain, is answerable for making and trading the local token, Avax, and different resources in the biological system. It utilizes the torrential slide agreement instrument. By separating the significant figuring undertakings among the blockchains, torrential slide can work on a few things. It accomplishes higher throughput without compromising decentralization. It likewise further develops versatility. Torrential slide can deal with an excess of 4,500 exchanges each second (TPS), which is altogether better compared to Ethereum's 14 TPS and Bitcoin's 7 TPS. As referenced as of now, Avax is the local money of Torrential Slide. It controls the organization and fills in as the essential venture vehicle. Avax can be utilized for a few things in the Torrential Slide blockchain, including settling exchange charges and getting the stage through marking. It is additionally the computerized cash you will procure to put resources into Torrential Slide. How would you put resources into Torrential Slide? Putting resources into Torrential Slide doesn't mean you need to purchase the portions of the organization behind the organization. Ava Labs raised $42 million through an effective ICO, despite the fact that the objective was $9 million. For customary financial backers who didn't take part in the ICO, the conspicuous method for money management is to purchase the token Avax. Avax has turned into a helpful digital money because of the remarkable mainnet and the advantages Torrential Slide offers engineers. In the wake of encountering a few bullish patterns, it has turned into an exceptionally well-known computerized resource. What does that infer? Avax is presently effectively accessible for cryptographic money financial backers. The coin is presently accessible across a few cryptographic money trades, financiers, and other exchanging venture stages. Purchasing Avax is the most vital phase in Torrential Slide effective financial planning. You can pick how you need to manage the coin to create a gain. Contingent upon your venture procedure, you can sell the coin after certain hours, days, or weeks. You can likewise sit tight for months or years prior to selling your Avax holding. Financial backers can likewise decide to stack at their Avax and acquire a few returns. Everything revolves around the number of chances you that know about and your ability to face the challenges in question. Is Torrential Slide, Avax, a wise speculation? Torrential Slide is quite possibly of the most blazing new coin in the digital currency market. Avax has been accessible for barely 1 year, however, has turned into an exceptionally famous coin. Other than prominence, the coin has joined the class of top 10 digital forms of money by market capitalization. That is a ton. Yet does it imply that we ought to presume that Avax is a wise venture? To be known as a wise speculation, a monetary instrument ought to have the option to restore benefits to financial backers. There might be hiccups every once in a while, yet a positive revisitation of venture is normal from any resource that ought to be named a wise speculation. In such manner, Avax has been a wise speculation for the time it has been available. As per CoinMarketCap, Torrential Slide return for money invested is 14,456.88% at the hour of compassing this piece. It is likewise critical to consider the uniqueness and handiness of any digital money project prior to characterizing its local cash as a wise venture. Torrential Slide is at unimaginable savvy contracts stage with great foundation to have a few different tasks. With 3 blockchains at its center sharing figuring assignments, the stage is strong. Up until this point, it has been a fruitful task and looks set to grow further. Each accomplished financial backer likewise comprehends that a speculation should be gotten to be viewed as protected. Torrential Slide Avax is for the most part thought to be a protected venture in light of multiple factors. For a beginning, it is very much planned, and its mainnet is unbelievable. It is critical